How to refresh For You page on TikTok. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to refresh For You page on TikTok. First of all, you have to open TikTok and tap on top right 3 lines. After that, you have to click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Now here you have to scroll down a bit and click on Content Performance. As you click on Content Performance, here you have to click on Refresh For You feed. After that, here you have to click on Continue and then click on Refresh. So here you can see that my For You page has been refreshed. In this way you can refresh the For You feed of your TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.